welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new and haven't seen my face before, hey, I'm Michaela, what's up, welcome to the channel. Make sure to subscribe down below and also hit the bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm actually just eating some of the Timbit cereal that we got like the other day, or maybe the other week when I'm posting this, I don't really know. It's actually really good. In a minute, I'm gonna open my bullet journal stuff that I got on Amazon. I am literally like so excited to start it. I'm gonna finish the cereal and then I will go and open my supplies and show you guys what I got to start my bullet journal. Okay, hi, back from eating my cereal. I have my bullet journal supplies that I'm gonna open now. My address is on the top, so I'm not gonna show you the top. I got all this stuff from Amazon. I'll have my Amazon shop page linked in the description box and all the supplies I got. I probably will end up getting more as I get more into bullet journaling and all that stuff, but this is what I'm gonna start out with. Okay, so first thing I have is the Essentials brand dot matrix notebook. It has 192 dot pages, how a bullet journal is. So yeah, I got this. It's just black. It does have the elastic part on it, like right here. I might get stickers to like decorate the front of it. Who knows? Oh, this is so good because the dots aren't even like too dark of a color. Like they're actually really light, which is what I wanted. And I actually quite like the size of it. Be right back. I have to go sell some baby clothes to somebody. Sorry, had to sell some baby clothes. We're back. I was talking about my notebook and I was saying that the dot darkness is actually like pretty light. And the pages, they aren't like too yellow either, which is also really nice. So, super happy about this. Okay, I feel 5, but these are the Crayola Super Tips markers for like coloring on little doodles, stuff like that. Got these. There's 100 different colors in here, but yeah, Crayola Super Tips, really good. I think this is only like 12 bucks, 11 bucks, so that's pretty good. Then I got, ooh, okay, this is in Chinese writing, so not too sure how to pronounce it, but all I know is that this is Sipa or Sipa. They're just like fine tip pens. So there's like a yellow, orange, red, pink, purple, blue, turquoise, green, brown, and black. So that'll be good for just doing like the writing portion, hopefully. And this was probably the most expensive thing out of like the whole order. I wanted to try out the Tombow dual brush pens. If you guys are like bullet journal enthusiasts, you probably know what these are. I got the pastel colors because just look how pretty those colors are. They're so pretty. I wanted to try these. There's so many other like packages with different color schemes. These are pretty pricey markers. Or pens, I guess. So I just wanted to get one package for now. And that is everything that I got to start out. I feel like that's like a decent amount of stuff. I do want to eventually maybe get like washi tape and stuff. Yeah, that's my little bullet journal haul. I'm probably gonna start it tonight because I already know my 2020 beginning pages that I want to do. I've already like planned out some pages, so I'm set to go. So probably gonna start it tonight. I think we're gonna take down the tree and let's get to taking down the Christmas tree. Taking down the tree. I have you guys like propped up on her baby seat and her baby bike. So we just took down the tree as you guys saw, and we actually set up Rylans playpen. Right now we're gonna use it as like a toy storage, so this is what it looks like. We're just gonna set some of her toys in it that she has currently. This is the playpen. It's by Kidco. Yeah, it's Kidco on the Go Play Yard. This is it here. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and put some of her toys in it. Hey guys, so I forgot to end the vlog the other day. I wanted to show you her little playpen that we set up because that's what I was in the process of doing. And then I'll end this vlog and I'll start a new one. Okay, so this is her playpen, and I told you guys I was putting some toys in it for her. So I've got like a bunch of her little toys, like the remote, some donut, the newspaper, and just everything in here for her. And then we attached this cute little travel mobile. You can actually like clip it onto pretty much anything. You can clip it onto a car seat, a stroller, a crib. And yeah, that completes this vlog. If you guys enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. They're gonna be on the screen and down below in the description box. So if you want to go check me out on those, go follow me and let's be friends. And I think that's all I have to say. So I hope you guys are having a great day whenever you're watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Good.